Hi, I'm Sarah with Custom Pilates and Yoga. Thank you so much for coming out to my YouTube channel. I'm a certified yoga and Pilates instructor, so the videos on my channel are going to have a lot of information about how to correctly and safely practice and modify different yoga poses, different Pilates exercises. But it's also going to include information about how to use these movements to kind of rehabilitate past injuries. Like, for example, if you have a bunion that you're trying to fix, I have a video out about how to fix your bunion. So you can see different videos along that same vein to fix different common injuries that we might have. Now, you're going to want to subscribe to my channel because every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I release a new video and you're not going to want to miss out. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and then comment below and let me know what you're most excited about seeing. I can't wait. Thank you.